there, how are you? My name is Karen Bloemhoff. I'm a broker at Cozumel Real Estate here in Cozumel. We're selling a business and not just any business.
Cozumel Scuba Repair. This is a rare chance to own a turnkey operation in a sector that thrives year-round thanks to Cozumel's global appeal to divers. Perfectly situated in Cozumel, a world-renowned diving destination.
Of course, we're selling the real estate with the best team on your side to assess you. But it's not just real estate this time, it's a business. This business has been in the scuba industry in Cozumel, but it's worldwide renowned for over 30 years. So what do we have? We have retail, we have storage, we have a service, and the best is the staff. Super service-minded. Everybody knows them really in Cozumel.
This business comes with a comprehensive real estate.
Thank you for watching. Give us a call or just click below, subscribe, or check in the bio for details. Ready for your call?